baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here?
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with part 3 of my guest bedroom makeover. If you missed the other 2 videos, I'll leave a link below to those 2 videos so you can go over and check out what I did so far. Alright everyone, let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Okay, we have these square picture frames from Dollar Tree, which are 5x7. And we have these smaller picture frames, which are 4x6 from the Dollar Tree also. And we have our bling wrap that we got from Dollarama. And we have the foam board that we're going to be using. And we have our E6000 and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to take our first picture frame and some of our bling wrap, which I've already cut out to fit inside the picture frame. We're just going to open it and take our bling wrap and just glue it to the white paper that comes within the picture frame. Just need to glue the edges only. And now we're just gonna turn the paper over and place it in our picture frame. Then just put on the backing, just tear off these little tabs that come on the back because we don't need them. And then just put our back right back into the picture frame. And now we're going to take our frames and just glue them down to our piece of foam board that we have here that we've already cut to size. And I'll be using the E6000 and the glue gun to put down our frames. Now for the next part of our design, I was going to use these silver frames, you guys, like I showed you in the beginning, but I changed my mind. I'll be using the mirrored frames instead. They're also from the Dollar Tree. Now we're just going to place them down onto our other picture frames and get a pattern. And I'll be gluing them down with the E6000 and the glue gun.
I'm just thinking about you, always dreaming about you. How you got me tonight? Oh no, oh no, we gon' stop by saying love you.
And here's the finished look, you guys. It's always nice to decorate with mirrors. Using mirrors, I think, brighten up a room more, and they look very nice, honestly, by themselves. Or even if you place it with something else, mirrors are very nice. And these decorative mirrors, picture frames from the Dollar Tree, are really super cute. Alright everyone, this is my third installment for the bedroom, for the guest room I should say, makeover. And I like how this one turned out also. It lightens up the room and it's very nice. So leave me a comment, tell me what you think below of my third design, and give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.
And you know I'll be running to you. Cause no, there ain't nothing that'll stop me. I'll be on my way, baby, running on to you. And no,